For part C of question number 2, they want us to determine the number of years for which Antonio's annual salary is greater than or equal to Barbara's annual salary. So we're going to use our calculators here. And what we can do is we can use our equations from part B and plug them into y equals on our calculator, like this. So I put Antonio's annual salary calculation into y1, and I put Barbara's into y2. And what we can simply do with this is go to the table and take a look to see where does Barbara's salary go above Antonio's. So if you look at year 6, Antonio's salary is 10,250. Barbara's is 10,210. And then in year 7, Antonio's is 10,700 and Barbara's is 10,721. So Antonio's is greater than or equal to Barbara's for 6 years, because in the 7th year, Barbara moves ahead. So our question, or our answer to letter C would be 6 years. Before part D, it says both Antonio and Barbara plan to work at the company for a total of 15 years. And in letter D, part 1, it says calculate the total amount that Barbara will be paid during these 15 years. So we're going to use the summation equation for Barbara, which is a geometric sequence. So part 1, S of 15 would be our U1, which is, go back up, 8,000, times our R value, which is 1.05 to the 15th power minus 1, divided by 1.05 minus 1. We put that into our calculators. 8,000 times 0.05 to the 15th, minus 1, 0.05 minus 1. We can round this to the nearest dollar. It's going to be $172,628. So that's how much Barbara makes total in her 15 years at the company. Part 2 then says determine whether Antonio earns more than Barbara during those 15 years. So we want to find Antonio's total and then compare them and see who makes more or less. So we're going to be using the summation equation for an arithmetic series. So S of 15 is going to be 15 over 2 times 2 times 8,000 plus 15 minus 1 times 450. So type that into your calculators. And we get $167,250. So clearly, comparing these two numbers, Barbara makes more than Antonio over the 15 years.